Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Adnan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, here we are back with an unboxing video, and this product here is really crazy. It's a spinner phone. It's just a replica of the fidget spinner with some tech added to it. And guys, this product is gifted to us by a subscriber, and shout out to him, and the name will be displayed over here somewhere over here, and then make sure you follow him on Instagram, and that's a shout out to him. And I would like to thank him for sending me this product. So guys, let's check it out. Let's unbox it and check out the box components, and let's see what are the features of this tiny tech piece. So guys, first checking out the box, it says Chilli Really Hot K188. That may be the model number, and you can see the photo of the mobile phone on the box itself, and it says spinner phone on down there, and there is something written in Chinese as well as in English. Okay, there is no Chinese. Sorry guys, there is no Chinese. And here we can see which color we have. That's rose gold. I marked it with a marker. Made for Chile, made in China. Okay, Chile is also a country, but then here Chile means the brand name, and also made in India. Sorry, made in China, guys. I don't know why I'm making mistakes. Okay, take care of the battery while inserting the SIM card. You can see it's just a tiny device, and the battery is removable with the cord coming outside, and this is the cord and the place where you place the SIM. And here are the 4 color options that you get with the device, that is blue, red, golden and black, as well as the pink color that's inside the box. And here we have a BT dialer, SIM support. The colors and specification shown mentioned here, maybe you guys can see this here, may differ from the actual product. Images shown are for representation purpose only. Specifications are subject to change without prior notice, and they have the customer email, and that's it. And checking out this, and here this side we have a short 10-day service and warranty for 12 months, a QR code to know more about the device, and maybe some trademark related stuff that side. And now finally opening up the box, we have the phone itself on the top. And let's take out the phone outside, and let us keep this aside for some time, and then let's speak about the other things which we get inside the box. It's a cushion here for the safety of the device, and in the shape of it. And you just get a USB type cable, kind of USB. Yeah, it's a USB cable, and there is no 3.5mm jack on this device, I guess, and they haven't opened it, like they have sealed it really tight. And let me just open this. Okay, I actually lost the unboxing knife which I used to unbox things with, and for this video, let's use the natural knife, and we are almost done. And here is the USB charger, and you have to get an adapter for yourself, and there is a Chile trademark on this, and it's a type, I don't know the type name, guys. I think A to B. And here is the charging like port over here. You can just connect this, and the best thing about the device coming onto the device is, first you can just open up the back cover. Back cover is open from the back, and the lower end. You just have to hold it like this, and then just pull it out, and this is the way it comes out. And there is this battery. You can just pull it out using the sticker, and hold the battery really safe, guys. The wire over here is really thin, as you guys can see, and there is a SIM port over here. There is a SD card support with this device, as you can see over here. Okay, I'm not concentrating on the camera. Okay, there is a SIM tray and micro SD support, guys. After doing that, after inserting everything and closing up the back cover, let's turn on the device. For turning on, hold the cut button for a long time, I guess, and until it turns on. Let's spin the device, guys. This is the coolest feature ever offered, and this may be like the smallest device available with such like mechanical controls over it. And right, guys, I got the password here, and now let's turn it on. And the password was, and I think that's done. Yeah, and you find the chili animation on the screen, and then you can just wait till it comes up. And as you can see here, it says time insert sim, and it has a lot of other options. And then click on menu. You have a lot of options here, and you can navigate using this key. And this is just a wheel, guys. There is no use of this one. It's not a navigation button or kind of such thing. Just need to tap up this button and this button to navigate. You can go to applications, click on this to open it. You have alarm, calculator, and stuff like that, and it offers crazy features. Then go back, you can go to the contacts, input your password again, okay, insert it again, and then you are get to go. And you can, the contact list is empty because it's a new device, guys. You can do that and check out this crazy device. And the price, coming to the price point, you guys, it's around 1000 rupees on Amazon. And also it takes, oh sorry, I shook the tripod. The price actually is 999, and it takes extra 60 for the delivery. And if you want to get it for like 1000 exactly, you can just add something like that's of Amazon Fulfilled, and they offer free delivery for Amazon Fulfilled products. You can order it and then you can cancel something from the Amazon Fulfilled, then you'll get it for 999. If you guys didn't understand that trick, don't worry, you can just search YouTube for videos like how to get free products for free delivery from Amazon, or you can also go and refer my video how to get free products from Amazon if you have a YouTube channel. So that's it, guys, in this video. Meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you like the video, guys. It takes a lot of effort making this video, editing them and posting them. Please like it, and see you soon. Goodbye.